Hello there, and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. A couple of weeks ago, I taught one of my classes the expression umming and ahhing, which you often use to show you're not sure about something. So you might say, yeah, I'm still not sure whether I'm going to buy those shoes or not. I'm still umming and ahhing about it. I guess because you kind of go, So you're umming and ahhing. You're kind of undecided. One of my students was very sceptical about my pronunciation of umming and ahhing, and she kept asking me, why is there an R sound in it when there's no R in the spelling? I replied by saying, hey, listen, I don't make the rules, okay? Don't shoot the messenger. I'm just telling you how it's pronounced. This week in class, she told me that she'd then gone away and looked at the Youglish site. For those of you that don't know it, it's a pretty amazing site where you can enter a chunk and you can hear lots of different people in talks and films and TV programs saying that same expression. So she'd entered umming and ahhing into the search engine on Youglish, and surprise, surprise, she found out that basically everyone else also pronounced it the way I did. When she was telling me this in class, it made me chuckle, and I responded by saying, "O ye of little faith." This is an expression that originally comes from the Bible, and we often use it in a humorous way to say, I can't believe you doubted. I can't believe you didn't have much faith. So in this situation, it means, I can't believe you didn't trust me and that you went away and, tried to find out if I was wrong or not, when obviously I knew I wasn't. You might use it, for example, if you're watching a football match and you're with a friend and your friend has previously expressed doubts about one particular player, Eddie Nketiah, he's useless, he's never going to be good enough for the club. And then this player scores a hat trick, 3 amazing goals. And you turn round to your friend and say, I hope you're watching this, yeah? Ye of little faith, yeah? You doubted him and now look, he's proved you wrong. It's an expression lots of people were using after Trump's conviction in the recent case in New York. Like a lot of people, I wasn't sure that the justice system in America was sufficiently robust and independent to tackle a kind of major league criminal like Trump, but mercifully, I was proved wrong. I saw lots of American friends posting about the final verdicts, saying, "O ye of little faith." Look, all you people who doubted that this would happen, it's happened. One final example, I recently took a carnivorous, very enthusiastic meat eater friend of mine to a local vegan restaurant. While we were sitting there, and I have to say, I twisted his arm to get him to come with me. He wasn't enthusiastic about the idea of vegan food. While we were there, he said how delicious the food was and how surprised he was by this, to which I responded by saying, "O ye of little faith." If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use "O ye of little faith."